Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A glorious silver Fn2 in the house today. It's had a couple of jobs here, including fresh, ice-cold aircon. So that's going to make him happy, and we're hopefully going to make it faster. So let's find out. Honda Civic Fn2 TypeR needs oiling them. All Hondas do. Head on over to worldoflubricant.co.uk, put in the code DINO at the checkout, save a load of money. It's hot in here today. Okay, so the silver Fn2 is completed. It's been here for aircon, so aircon condenser.
Yeah, and then regas.
And then regas. We did a leak test. Get your words out, Dan. We did a leak test as well to make sure it was going to work, and that all seemed fine. Brilliant. And then it was a question of putting it on the dyno and giving it a tune. It's been tuned elsewhere previously.
Some time ago, though.
Yeah,
a long time ago.
Some time ago, and he's made some small adjustments since it was tuned. He's fitted a HKS induction kit. And whilst we've not gained any power peak, we've made some power across the range there.
Yeah, I think we should probably run through the mods that we believe it's got TDR North cams in it. We believe it's got TDR North 3-inch exhaust system on it. It's got a 4-to-1 manifold of some description. We're not exactly sure what, because obviously these mods are older. I don't know what induction kit it previously had on it, but he's obviously swapped to the HKS. He has got RDX injectors and he has got an RRC, but again, we don't know if that's ported or non-ported.
We made just shy of 230 brake.
Yes, we did.
Which is what it came in at.
Yeah, we've made the same peak power. So obviously, whatever the restriction is obviously still the restriction. We've made the same peak power. We have made a little bit sort of from that VTEC point up to peak power. We've made a bit of power there.
Yeah, I mean, we're confident now that the fueling's correct and the timing's correct. So as it leaves here, we're confident in it.
Well, you can only tune with what you're given.
You can.
This car was already tuned.
Each car on its own merit.
And then we've obviously just swept over it and double checked everything. So it is what it is. I think that it could, if it's a non-ported RRC, for example, then it could do with being ported. It could do with a better induction kit, and
Indeed.
I feel that we could make some more power. But
Indeed.
that's where we are, so that's what it's made.
Yeah, so happy days. So that's another one in the back. You want to look at this graph?
Let's look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Okay, so say it with me, guys. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. And yes, already tuned, but we made a little bit of wheel horsepower across the range there. And obviously you can see the blue line is slightly increased. But we finish on the same, pretty much the same peak power, which is 227 brake horsepower. Obviously, we can see some improvements there. But that's another one in the bag. Richard's taking a photograph. You must like this one. Yeah, another one in the bag. If you've got an FN2 and you want to talk about mods, or specifically the mods that you should be buying to move your car forward, then give us a shout. If you need a service, if you need a timing chain, if you need a clutch or an exhaust, you give us a shout. We're happy to talk to you. You can always grab my mobile number off the internet, give me a bell, phone the office, drop me a text on WhatsApp, whatever you want to do. And until next time, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed. So we actually went back at this car today because of the temps and things, and that's more like it. So finishing on 239, I'm calling that 240 brake horsepower. Yeah, that's more like it. So red line as she came in, previous map, blue line as she leaves. Yeah, much happier with that now. What a difference a day makes.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dynodaze performance parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dynodaze, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to dynodazeperformanceparts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.